Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Sunday, the 19th of December 2021. We are in Muwah Palace, as you can see. This is the entrance leading to the Crown Council of Princess Royal Court. As you can see, this is it. So we are in the palace. I'll be showing you this building very soon, how far they have gone with it. As you can see, this is it, standing right before us. Yeah, as you can see, it looks good. The woodwork was done and finished yesterday, and also zinc took over, as you can see, of which they roofed it. They have put it already. So now remaining the cap to be put on it, and also the zinc has not been completed. As we can see right behind it, is an empty space waiting for the cap to be put before completing. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, also I'll be showing you around this building and the inside part, how it looks like. So right before us, this is it. This is the outer look of the Crown Council of Princess Royal Court. As you can also see, the tall lace has been put around this building. As you can see, this is it. This is it. It has been put around this building. It has been put. As you can see, this is it that has been put. Showing you around this building how it looks like. This is it. This is the building. It is round in shape. This is it. It's round. So ladies and gentlemen, that is it about the round. Going around, I'll be showing you now the innermost part and how it looks like inside. So right there, this is the entrance of the Crown Council of Princess Royal Court. As you can see, this is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is how it looks like inside. This is it. I'm going around.